color touch screen operation interface can store different wire processing parameters. Wire diameter range BV multi-stranded soft wire 6 to 50 square millimeters, BV hard wire 25 square millimeters. With conduit jumping function, the feeder conduit is automatically lifted for avoidance when stripping the wire tail, thus increasing the range of peeling lengths. The belt fits the wire to avoid slipping when passing the wire, so that there is no indentation on the surface of the wire. Can be equipped with pick-up robot and conveyor belt. When processing long wires, it is possible to ensure that the wires are placed straight and neatly in the take-up tray. Stripping speed 800 to 1100 wires per hour.